3, 2, 1, let's go. I broke it again. No, it's okay. Don't worry, relax. I know how to fix it.
Hey Tom Peng, love what you're doing on your channel, buddy. Super congrats. You know, giving your time and energy to nonprofit business channel. Look, man, keep driving that audience. So Tom Peng, look forward to spending some time with you. I know you got the right mindset, so I'd love for you to share some of that from the big V. God bless, be great. 10X.
So, if you're stopped in a VinFast because of either EV battery fault or drive system fault, this is how you fix it. You open this lid. You open that lid and then you disconnect the battery right here, okay? So I have my handy tool. This is like the key to any VinFast electric car, right? You gotta have this with you at all times, just in case your VinFast stops in the middle of the road, then this is what you can do. So what you need to do is unplug this one. And then disconnect the battery like that. And in theory, you gotta wait 5 minutes. That's according to VinFast procedures, but generally you don't need to wait 5 minutes. You just have to give it a few seconds and you can plug it back. Tighten the bolt. Okay, we're good. Okay, so let's put the lid back in and close the lid. Let's see if the car works now. Perfect. Will it move?
Xin chào anh chị, em là trợ lý ảo VinFast.
I think so. It can move. So
Anh chị cần dùng từ
that is a absolutely necessary skills to have if you own a VinFast VFA. You gotta know how to work around the battery if you don't want to waste a lot of time on the road being stuck. Okay, take some fucking action, learn how to work with the battery, and don't be a fucktard.